Right, so we're just up here on a Saturday evening and we thought we'd pick some nice tomatoes. They're ready to go. So, tomato update. Obviously, we've had some of these off this plant in here, but we're quite excited because wait till we get to the polytunnel. So, these are all ready to go. We've had loads off this plant, haven't we?
We have. It's doing very well.
Yeah, oh, there's a nice big one up there as well. So, no expensive tomatoes from the supermarket this week. Woohoo! Hey, I think even Mum might get some of these ones. That'll make her happy. That one can stay a bit longer.
You want to pick some of that basil as well?
I think we've still got a bit in the fridge, but yeah, we'll take that top bit. There we go. Oh, if it only it was smell-o-vision. That's the first time I didn't kick the step as I went over it. Right, so. And here we are in the jungle that is the polytunnel. It's actually quite cool this evening.
It's very cool.
It's nice. So, yeah, we have
finally.
we have red tomatoes!
Eh? Finally!
So, what are these?
Exciting times.
So, here we go.
Okay.
I think those other ones can stay on a bit longer. No tigerellas yet, but we do have some bloody butchers. Look at this beastie. Oh, I'm looking forward to this one. There we go. Oof, look at that one. I love these two as well, yeah. Oh, yes. Ooh,
The smell.
It's almost too much tomato smell.
Ooh, all the leaves when you rub against
There
the
we
leaves.
go. Just a little quick harvest. Tomato update. We're happy. Fresh tomato straight from the vine.